Hey, it's Monday, and it's food shop. I spent £118 in Lidl. Where's my receipt? But there's a lot of stuff for my business, so I will deduct that off and put the actual total. I've got my business stuff in the other room. I'll show you that in a second, but I will deduct the total of the business stuff off so we can see what the actual food shop is for the week for me and the kids. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lucy. I'm a mum, single mum of 3 kids who are 8, 7 and 3. And this is our food shop, which should last us just over a week. I will have to go back and get bread and milk and fruit and veg because we just go through a lot of it. But yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. I'm going to show you what I've got, put it away, and then we'll come back and have a chat about our meal plan for the week. I am on a weight loss thing at the moment. I'm down just over 2 stone. I want to say 2 stone 4 pound since the 1st of December. So we'll chat about that as well. But yeah, I'm gonna turn you around and we'll have a look. All right, so this is the stuff for us. Start up here. I got the kids these. We've had these before. They're so yummy. They're big marshmallow balls with chocolate. They're delicious. I got these. I thought they looked really yummy. Half a pack is 190 calories. So I thought I might have some of these for my lunch because they look delicious, and I really fancy some garlic. 2 lots of ice gems for the kids' snack drawer. I also paint, and I got these canvases, a set of 3 really nice little ones. I haven't done any little ones yet, so that's what they're for. Some potatoes, some bread, bagel thins because my youngest 2 have bagels every day for lunch. Some pasta shells. I didn't need these. I've got pasta at the moment, but my middle one asked for shells because they're her favourite, so I got her some. I got these. I didn't need these. These are just fucking delicious. I love them. They're so yummy. Also didn't need these, but I thought they looked yummy. The only thing I'm a little bit nervous about is the mint because I hate mint, but potato and cheese, like, and they're frozen, so we're going to give them a go. Ham and chicken for the week for sandwiches. Peas. I got myself these. I thought they looked really nice. So I'm going to have one of those tonight. Might have that with those double garlic. If anyone wants to know what I smell of, there you go, garlic. Unicorn cakes for packed lunches. This is my favourite. I love super strong cheese. I never like mild cheese, but I tried this and it is fucking amazing. So I just often just have a slice of this for breakfast, which I know isn't good, but that's what I do. Got some veggie sausages. I hadn't seen these ones. I've had the onion and rosemary ones before, which are okay, but these are the original ones, so I thought I'd give them a go. I'm not a veggie, by the way. Just I like veggie stuff. Broccoli, an avocado that feels really nice and ripe, so we'll cut that open later and see. I might have avocado toast for lunch. We'll see how that goes. Mini cucumbers, mozzarella because the kids have requested pizza one night. Sausages, another quick dinner. Some milled chia seeds. I wanted to make myself some overnight oats, and I put chia seeds in them and they're just so blobby and gross. I just don't like it, so I thought these ones might be better because they're already milled, so they shouldn't like blob up, and they were really cheap. Baby corn to have as a snack. Dark chocolate rice cakes. These are for me. I've got milk chocolate for the kids, just a cleaner because I've run out. A milk for the week. Garlic bread to have with one of our dinners. Mint to make a dinner. Applesauce with some gravy. Oranges. Jalapenos because I nearly ran out, and this is also what I smell of, jalapenos. Got myself a donut for my breakfast because health. I got a roll because I made a massive batch of soup and I wanted that one day. There you go, more jalapeno crisps. Brioches and pain au chocolat for the kids. They like to have these in the morning after their breakfast. Waffles, again, that's the baby. He has these, and then that's tomatoes. That is everything for now. For the family food shop, and then the business one is here, which looks ridiculous. Rice Krispie things because I'm making a big marshmallow tray bake. Dark chocolate, white chocolate, milk chocolate. Smooth peanut butter, crunchy peanut butter. Which one are you? Which one is your favourite? I am a crunchy peanut butter kind of girl. Oh my god, I love it. Jammy Dodgers, mini eggs for different things. Squash'ems for a bar. Fake Kinder for a bar. Chocolate spread, 4 lots of condensed milk for fudge. Dark chocolate chips, white chocolate chips, milk chocolate chips. Pretzels for pretzel caramel bites. These were like £2.62 a bag, which is so good. White chocolate and normal peanut butter cups. And more mini eggs. So that is that. I'm going to put it all away and I will come back and chat to you about the meal plan. Hey. It's like 2 days after I put the fucking food shop away. I just didn't get around to it. It is 6:50 in the morning. Filming on my phone, which is why I keep looking at the fucking button. But the camera is there because I'm a twat. We had sausages and veggies and potatoes one night. We are having spaghetti bolognese tonight. I made a really big batch of my cabbage roll in a bowl soup that I've been having for lunches. And I had that for dinner one night as well. Last night, the kids Mika had beans on toast and Aria and Fox had fairy toast just because that was all they fancied. It was a strike day yesterday. So Aria and Fox were off and we ended up going to Pizza Hut with my mum for lunch. So no one was particularly hungry at dinner time. I didn't have any dinner last night just because I ate far too much pizza at Pizza Hut. And it's weigh day today. Chelsea's going to be cross with me. What else do we have in this week? I want to make a curry. I want to make either dal or chickpea curry. If I make a dal, then Aria will eat it as well. But if I make a chickpea curry, it'll only be for me. So I might make the kids like some chicken tikka, dry chicken tikka. They don't like anything with sauce. With some rice. And then the leftover rice, I'm going to do burritos the next night. With burritos for the kids, I literally just give them a wrap. And then I put all the toppings out and they can just put what they want in it. Mika will have rice and chicken and salad and some cheese and maybe some black beans if I don't make them too spicy. Aria will have chicken and some salad. And Fox will just eat everything separately. So it's just an easy one. And they like building their own dinners. And I feel like there was something else that I was going to put on the list that I just cannot remember for the life of me. We were going to do homemade pizza one night, but then we had pizza yesterday, so we're not doing that. I'm going to have to think of something else. But yeah, that is it for this week's meal plan. The kids are at Ben's on Saturday night, so I don't need to worry about them then. I'm just going to watch movies and eat all the snacks. Keanu Reeves March. If anyone has any recommendations for Keanu Reeves movies, let me know, because I need to watch a different Keanu Reeves movie every single night. I watched Speed last night on the 1st, and then tonight I don't know what I'm going to watch. I don't know. I need to make a list so that I can plan it out. I'm going to go because I'm just fucking rambling at you. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.